Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of May. If you're looking for a weekly reading, that's already just uploaded on my channel. So please click on videos and find out your reading. Let's see what's going to happen in the month of May for you regarding your overall life. In the first week onwards, you've got the Master card and the Two of Suns. Challenging. I have seen your cards already and I do feel that this could be a very up and down kind of energies for you. Sorry about that. Let me just make myself comfortable in this seat. I do see, Gemini, that you have a very giving energy, right? You're always giving, thinking about the other person, trying to resolve the issues with the people, whether at your work or your love life as well. But there are compatibility issues with the people you're dealing with. So probably it's not that you are a problem or they are a problem, but you together are not a great team. There are compatibility issues, that means constantly fighting, bickering with each other, arguments happening, right? The only way to resolve the issues here is to compromise in the situation. So I understand that you are probably compromising more than the other person is, but you don't have to do that as well. Don't overextend yourself as well. Don't overgive yourself as well. Sometimes you compromise, sometimes the other person compromises, and this balance will help you in the long run, maintaining good and healthy relationships in your work and your personal life as well. The second week, I've got the Six of Spades and the Temperance card. See, somebody from your past could come back. I do see that somebody from your past is coming back. Again, my warning will be to you is do not overextend yourself. Ask the right questions. Why is this person coming back now? Has he changed? Is he ready, he or she, ready to give me what I want, what I deserve? If not, there is no point taking them back. Sometimes we get too excited because we have been waiting on someone to, contact us. But not knowing that they are still the same. They still haven't changed, right? We are only going to waste our time on them. I also see that there's a desperate need for you to find balance and stability in your life, which means if you are either working more or playing more, you have to maintain a good balance. You also have to maintain a good balance and patience in your circumstances. Your entire May month, I do see a fluctuating energy. Like some weeks will be really high, some will be really low, like that. So you have to constantly adapt to the situation of the circumstance of that week, right? If some days are good, be happy. Don't get overjoyed. Maintain a balance. And some weeks are so low, some days are so low. Do not go completely low or depressed in your life. Maintain a balance, right? So try to maintain a balance in your life, and this way you will be able to probably find a, an easier path than to be extremely happy and extremely low, extremely happy and extremely low in your life, right? Trying to find the balance. Don't be affected by the regular changes that you're going to face in your love life and your career as well in the month of May. Now coming to the mid month, you've got the Five of Stars and the Judgment card. Here they talk about Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. You could be dealing with them or you have this in your own birth chart. I do see that yes, there was a separation that happened. Yes, probably this person who has come back uh, is one of these signs. Now you have to make some major decisions in your life, right? I do see you, Judgment Day has come. So it is the time when you make that final decision whether to take this person back or to completely and permanently kick them out of your life. So if you face such decisions, you have to make sure that you're making the right one, weighing the pros and cons and not being stupid again, right? Coming to your professional life, I do see again it is a time for you making important decisions, who to hire, who to fire, right? I also see that you could be getting promotion as well. If this promotion is not up to the mark, if your promotion is not up to the mark, I also see you making a change as well, which means you could be changing jobs, switching careers as well in your life if you think this is not what you deserve. But most probably Judgment Day has come, weighing already the pros and cons in your life and giving you what you deserve. So yes, it's that kind of a month where major changes will be happening, you making major decisions in your life as well, and a need to assess the situation, right? Not to act impulsively or emotionally in any possible way. Always make sound judgments in your life, whether that's your personal life or your career as well. It's very important for you. Let's see how the month is ending for you. You have got the Seven of Spades and the Nine of Suns. Now, this talks about the fact that a lot of success and abundance is coming your way, sure, but there are people who are, trying to snatch it from you. I do see that, especially in your work life, there are some people who could be jealous of you, who will constantly try to pull you down or backbite about you. But these people are just like sheeps. You are a lion, right? So maintain that kind of authority and that kind of aura in you. Do not try to stoop this low in dealing with such people. Just take a break, take a step back. Do not indulge in fights. There will be multiple people, not just one, who will try to bring you down this month, get into arguments and fights so that you react. We react in a way that is against probably you, right? That will probably affect your career, affect your business, affect your work, right? So don't let them do that. Take a break if possible, go on a holiday. Don't indulge too much with these people and let this week pass. If you do that, then you will be able to come out on the top, because I do see you winning any which ways. These people neither have the skill nor the experience that you have. They just want your position, your power, your money, right? Your kind of importance. So please don't let these people get into your head. Stay away from them, and you will be able to come out on top and find that success. Compromises are required. Keeping quiet is required. Not indulging and avoiding fight is required this month. This is a month of highs and lows. So do not get swayed either you are when you are too high or too low in life, right? Maintain a balance, and this shall be a this shall pass too. So yes, this is a month important for you, and you also have to take care of yourself, that you're not going high and low in your life when it comes to your mood or your health or your overall life, right? So yes, if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to comment that yes, this is exactly what is happening in my life, and share your life experiences, I will be really happy to know. I will read your comments, like, and also reply as well. If you would like to book any personal reading with me, I do that as well. If you have any specific question regarding any area of your life, you can book that. If you want to do any sort of ritual, I do that as well. Bay leaf ritual, which is a manifestation ritual, and second is the blockage removal ritual to remove blockages from any area of your life. That's available with me as well. Last but not the least, I have also spiritual counseling sessions available with me, half an hour and a 1 hour audio video calls, where you can share your experience with me, share the heavy burdens, top secrets, which you're not able to do that with others because you do not have trustworthy friends, family, or people around you. You can come and share with me, and I will guide you. I will also mentor you and give you the correct remedy by asking your angels. So if you or any of your friends and family need that kind of therapy, then please send them to me, share this video with them so that this word spreads and a lot of people can get the kind of help that they want. All right. To book any kind of session, you can email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. Yes, and guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post such details on a daily basis over there. Here I'm only weekly and monthly with you, but there on a daily basis, you will know what services I have launched, what packages. I do have packages as well. What are the prices? What all is included? What kind of questions, right? What kind of services? What kind of discounts? Everything over there. So yes, I look forward to hearing from you. Take care of yourself, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Bye bye.